rise in Egypt. Salahuddin's first great test came in Egypt. The Fatimid Caliphate in Cairo was weak and divided. The Crusaders, especially from Jerusalem, wanted to control Egypt because of its wealth and strategic location. Nur ad-Din sent his general Shirkuh to defend Egypt, and Salahuddin went with him as an assistant. In Egypt, Salahuddin showed not only bravery in battles, but also wisdom in dealing with people. When his uncle Shirkuh passed away, Salahuddin unexpectedly became the commander of the Muslim army in Egypt. Many thought he was too young and inexperienced, but he soon proved them wrong. With patience and intelligence, he stabilized Egypt, ended corruption, and strengthened the army. Eventually, he was appointed as the Vizier of Egypt, making him one of the most powerful leaders in the Muslim world. Building power and unity. Once in power, Salahuddin faced many challenges. The Crusaders attacked from outside, while rivals plotted against him from within. But Salahuddin worked tirelessly. He reorganized the Egyptian government, supported scholars and teachers, and made sure justice was served. He spent more time in prayer and planning than in luxury. Unlike many rulers, he lived simply. He did not waste money on palaces or gold. Instead, he invested in strengthening his people. Salahuddin also worked to end the rivalry between Egypt and Syria. After the death of Nur ad-Din, there was a risk of chaos. But Salahuddin carefully united Egypt, Syria, and other regions under his leadership. This was not easy. Some leaders fought against him, but Salahuddin was both firm and merciful. Step by step, he built a powerful and united Muslim empire, stretching from Egypt to Syria, ready to stand against the Crusaders. The Crusaders and the Holy City. At that time, Jerusalem was under Crusader control. For nearly 90 years, Muslims had been unable to pray freely in the Holy City. Churches were built on sacred sites, and many Muslims and Jews were treated harshly. For Salahuddin, Jerusalem was not just a piece of land, it was the heart of faith. He believed it was his duty to free it, but he was patient. He knew that before marching to Jerusalem, he had to build strength and unity. The Crusaders feared Salahuddin's growing power. Leaders like King Guy of Jerusalem and Reynaud of Châtillon often raided Muslim villages, killing innocents and breaking peace treaties. Reynaud was especially cruel. He once attacked a caravan of pilgrims traveling to Mecca. This act deeply angered Salahuddin, who vowed that justice would come. The Battle of Hattin, 1187. The turning point came in 1187. The Crusaders, led by King Guy and Reynaud, gathered a massive army to face Salahuddin. Confident in their numbers, they marched into the hot lands near the village of Hattin, in present-day Israel. Salahuddin used his wisdom. He cut off their access to water, surrounding them in the burning heat of July. Thirst and exhaustion weakened the Crusaders. When the battle began, Salahuddin's soldiers fought with passion and faith. The Crusaders were crushed. King Guy was captured, but Salahuddin spared his life, showing mercy even to his enemies. Reynaud, however, who had broken many oaths and harmed innocent pilgrims, was executed by Salahuddin himself. This act sent a clear message. Salahuddin was merciful, but justice would not be ignored. Want more? Visit the channel for the next part and subscribe for upcoming stories.